All right, boys and girls, it is time to do writing for the week. We are doing poetry. This week's poems are a Cinquain poem and a riddle. First, let's go ahead and try to write our own Cinquain poem. And remember, you have to follow some rules. And you can watch the video that I posted on the PowerPoint to explain what it is and give examples before watching me model one for you.
Just a review, remember a Cinquain poem is a poem that has 5 lines and they follow specific rules. So with your poem, if it has 5 lines and it follows the rules, you will get an A on the assignment. If it doesn't, that's when you'll get points marked off on your poem. As you see, the first thing I did was I wrote each line and what it needs to be for the poem. My first line is the topic. The second line is 2 adjectives, 2 words to describe my topic. The third line will be action words that go along with our topic. The fourth line is an emotional phrase, and then, or a sensory phrase, like something with your senses. And then the last line is a synonym back to the topic. It's all about the topic. My topic, because we are in springtime, and even though we haven't had a lot of rain, I'm going to pick raindrops. Now you can pick raindrops too, but you would come up with different words throughout your poem, not the same words as mine. So 2 words that I would describe raindrops would be, raindrops are wet and raindrops are warm. Some action words or verbs that a raindrop would do is they plop, they plop, some more. I'll do that again. Plop, plop, and I'll even say drip. You know what? I'm going to change that. Drop, splat, drip. An emotional phrase or a phrase that you use your senses in. So senses thinking sight, hear, taste, smell, touch. So with raindrops, I'm going to write my outstretched tongue awaits. Have you ever went outside when it was raining and tried to catch the raindrops with your mouth and your tongue? And then the synonym, another word for the word raindrops, I would say water. So all together, my poem would say raindrops, wet, warm, plop, splat, drip. My outstretched tongue awaits water. You try to come up with your own poem using the same format as a Cinquain poem. You may go back to the first YouTube link and get some ideas on what you can write about.